Yeah, so um I I discovered something very, very strange. Let me see. Where did I put it? Thought I left it here. Yes, I did. I think I found out why these bearings are fucked. I found out why. I mean, I did notice it initially because all of the bearings were hard to turn. And then when I pressed them out, they were fine. They're fine. And the reason is because right now the bearing is fine. And when I press it in there, I had a hard time pressing it in there. And it compressed the bearing. Holy fuck. It compressed the bearing. Because these bearings were sliding fine on the shaft. And then all of a sudden I put it inside the drum here, the roller, and I had a real hard time smashing it, pushing the shaft through. See, I had to use my hammer here to put the shaft in. And you can hear the bearing is not sitting really well in there. Fuck. So I think I'm gonna try to do something about it on these, because I don't like that. It's not helping the bearing at all. It's working against the bearing, unless I get bearings with ceramic balls, because supposedly I heard the balls actually polish the races and make it better. So I don't know, but anyway, I got this in. Everything's working fine. You know, I didn't push the pin in all the way. I'll do it later, I guess. So unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to pull this one out. It's going to stay there. And I brought that over and I put it up here, and none of these lines correspond to it. You know, this, because it ends up like somewhere here or something like that, you know, well away from the line. So I don't understand how these lines happened, you know. I really don't know. But it's spinning nicely. You know, the adjustment for the thickness is smooth. It's smooth enough. You know, we'll see how smooth it is when we put the chain on and the tensioner. But it's good enough for now. So the only thing is that when you go to clamp it down, right, you really got to tighten it, because you can still move it. You see? And I don't know if this will move during operation. Maybe not. No, I don't think it'll move. No, it doesn't move. Okay, alright, that'll be fine then. So that's one roller in. So I'll work on that one tomorrow, or when I wake up, I guess, or when I finish work from Mary there. And I'll work on that one, install it, and work on those two, install them, and then go from there. So I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. It's coming out really, really good. Really, really good. Oh yeah, really, really nice, smooth operation of the unit. Oops. Oh yeah. Lock it into place. It doesn't move. Right, it's going to be spinning this way. Right. And this gear does go like this. So it goes like that. It's pretty much in line. Right. I just need to put some grease on it. Yeah, everything is going pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. So, I don't know where all this shit came from. Paint is holding up. Yeah, I'm pretty damn excited. Yeah, I'm really excited now. So that's one roller down, one roller to go on this side, and then 2 rollers to go over here. Yeah. So I'm hoping by the end of next week I'll have this finished off. You know, I'm hoping. So by then the paint, all these runs and whatever, will be completely cured. Yeah. Next time I paint with epoxy, I'll do 1 coat at a time. Yeah. Huh. One coat at a time. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this though. I guess I'll try to sand it a bit. Maybe I'll wrap a dowel or something on a drill bit. I mean, wrap some sandpaper on a drill bit and go around and sand it. I think that's what I might do, just to open it up just a little bit. And I went out of my way to reduce the diameter of this, sand it down, polish it, and it still give me problem. You know. Anyway. So I need 2 more. This one's in really bad shape. I don't know what the fuck happened here. I don't know what's with all the pitting. Well, I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. I want to go to sleep. Yeah, I'm feeling really, really good about it. Really, really, really good. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get it out of my house though. It's gonna be funny to try to use it too. I'll need some dough and run it through there. Yeah, this is how you gotta do it, one thing at a time. You know, deal with the rollers now. Once the rollers are on, then I'll deal with the tensioners. Once the tensioners are done, I'll deal with the chain, I guess. No, yeah, the chains. Once the chains are done, no, not the chains, the gearbox, then the chains, you know, or instead of the chains and all that, I could deal with the scrapers. No, I'll deal with the gearbox first, then I'll deal with the chains, because then I'll have the gearbox to set one of the chains, right? Oh fuck, one of the belts I have to make sure to wrap it around the shaft. Wow, I would have forgot that, honest to God. And then I got to, yeah, the chains, the gearbox, and then the scrapers. So it's going to be a while before I get to those things, right? And then when I get to those things, everything else is done mostly. And then once those things are done, then I can move on to the covers, the plates, right? I think the last thing I'll do is put the motor on. Yeah. I think that's the last thing I'm going to do. What I think I'm going to do too is I'm not going to tell Serge that I fixed it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post the ad on Facebook. I'll post the ad for it for sale, and then I'll message Serge and tell him that there's somebody selling a pizza dough machine just like what he has at his store on Facebook, and that he might, if he's interested. And we'll see if he figures out that it's me. Oh, that'll be funny. That'll be so hilarious. Yeah. That will be so hilarious. Anyway.